Welcome back to another episode of Arizona Nature. I'm Bugzy, and I'm your wildlife guide. At least I didn't sit on a barrel cactus. Are you one of those sickos that find joy in other people's pain? Do you think you'd like to see me get hit in the head by something? Then I got something special for you. Stick around to the end of the video to see it. Hey everybody, today I want to introduce you all to the Majestic Saguaro cactus. Check this out. Now that's a big son of a bitch. There's some really good cactuses out here in the desert. The saguaro is only one of them, but it is our largest cactus, and all the cactuses are succulent water-bearing cactuses, but the saguaro is a protected species. You don't want to be caught cutting into one of them. They are protected by law, just like an endangered animal would be. That's an amazing cactus. So I want to talk about something that I spoke about in my second survival tips, and that is seeking out barrel cactus to find water. On YouTube, I've been seeing some other video educators talking about what is a saguaro and showing what they were calling a baby saguaro. And I'm not going to call out any names, but whoever it was, they were getting it wrong. They were showing a barrel cactus and calling it a baby saguaro. Come on, let me point out a few differences. So, this is one of the barrel cactuses that I said you could cut into and smash up the insides and eat the pulp. And if you're in the desert and you're thirsty, just do it. If you look at the needles, they're wide and flat, and very hooked on the end, and very sharp. That's a barrel cactus. That is not a baby saguaro. Let me show you what that looks like. This is a baby saguaro. As you can see, the needles are round, they are conical shaped, and they are straight and pointed. Very, very sharp. Very, very beautiful cactus. But these are protected species. Do not cut into these unless you're dying. There is water to be had. If you are in the desert and thirsting, I think your life is more important than the saguaro. So eat it. But if you're just out in the desert playing and wanted to taste something, do not cut into this cactus. It's a protected species. You don't want to be caught doing it. Dude, I just headbutted that motherfucker and broke the fucking needles off. At least I didn't sit on a barrel cactus. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you like what I do here, tap that thumbs up button for me. If you're new here or just haven't bothered before now, then smack that subscribe button. All comments, questions, suggestions, and gripes are welcome to be buried in the graveyard below. I'd love to hear from you. I love exploring the Arizona desert, and I love sharing it with you. Keep exploring and stay safe. Bugzy out.